How to create a Facebook business page in 2022. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can create your own business page on facebook.com. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to facebook.com and sign up for Facebook. If you do not have Facebook, you probably will have Facebook because everybody has, but the signing up process is really easy. You simply sign up with your email address and then you simply set up a password. So once you have your Facebook, now you want to create a Facebook business account. When it comes to Facebook, Facebook has a lot of features now and it has updated itself, and it is now owned by Meta. So the new name for the Facebook company. So what happens is, on Facebook now we can do drop shipping, we can create our own business. Facebook has its own marketplace now, and it also has its own business suite where we can actually go ahead and manage our business better. So with all of these different options and features and updates, you might be wondering how to create a business page on Facebook and how we can manage it. The advantages of a Facebook page is going to be that you will get your own business suite right here, which comes with a lot of different features. So without wasting your time, let's get started with our Facebook page. So what you have to do is you will simply go to pages right here, and then you will be able to find all of the pages that you have already created, and you will also find the option of create a new page. If you do not have a page already, then of course you will see nothing right here. I have pages, so that is why you can see them right here. So I will click on create new page, and then I will be able to create my new page with Facebook. So we have a page name. Important thing is giving your page a name. So this is like really simple. Creating a simple page on Facebook and creating a business page. It's similar because what happens is when you create a page, you have a public page, then you can use it for your business. That's what a business page is called. You don't need to create another business page, or you have to go through a lot of steps. That's not how it works. So the page information, the first thing is going to be page name. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and add a page name right here. Then you have to select the category, which is really important, what type of page you are creating. I am going to be creating an accessory page today for headphones, and then you simply have to add a description, and then we will turn this gray create page into blue and simply click on this button. So I have added the name for my page. So for now, I'm just gonna write accessories, and then we have the category. In category, what happens is you simply go ahead and you add a word. For example, I went with electronics, or you can go with a phone and tablet as well. So this is going to be the category for my page. Then we have the description. For now, I just wrote headphones and more. That's my description. So now you will see this option right here, create page. Click on create page, and your new page will be created just within seconds. So now my page has been created. So once your page is created, we get two more options right here. We have the profile picture, and then we have add a cover option. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and add a profile picture from my computer to my page, and then we will be good to go. So I have added the profile picture right here, which is a girl wearing headphones, and then we also have a cover picture. So once you have these different information such as pictures and the name, you will simply click on save, and all the changes will be saved and your new page will be created. So you can see right here, this is my new page that I just created on Facebook. This is going to be my business page. So you can see I have all of the options right here. I have home, I have groups, events, reviews, and more. In more, we have videos, photos. You know how basically Facebook works. I can simply go ahead and add a button right here. So this button can actually be a shop button or sign up button, any button I want to. How to add a button to your business page? Click on add a button. So you can simply go ahead and add any of these buttons. We have a follow button, gift card button, we have book now, call now, contact us, or send message, or you can also add your WhatsApp. So this is how people create their business pages on Facebook. So I can simply go with book now, or call now, or maybe contact us. This is really important: contact us or send message. So I will select any of the options from here and I will add it as my button. So this is my profile picture. Now what I can do is I can simply go to different business tools. So we have a post template tool on Facebook, which is for free, that comes with the business page. So you can see right here, when I selected the category, this is a business page. Now I have my Meta business suite right here. I have my inbox, I have my planner, I have my publishing tools, newsfeed, and business apps as well. So this is really amazing that Facebook has a lot of different features for us now. I also have podcast option, I have insights, I have page info, ad center as well, where I can create ads for my Facebook page and I can promote my page, and bring traffic towards it and sell my products. So when we talk about the free business tools, we have post a job, add employment bookings, and post templates as well. If you want to create an ad, you can simply go to the ad option right here and you can start promoting. If you want to check out the planner, or if you want to check out the insights, let's go to the insight option and let me show you how you can check out the insights for your Facebook page. So I have all the insights right here. I can check out the page summary. You can see right here the actions on page, page views, we have page likes, we have post reach, story reach, recommendations. So Facebook has really updated itself and we get all of these different amazing features, such as post engagement, we have videos, page followers, and I can also target audience when it comes to creating ads with my page. I can create campaigns. You can see right here that these are, I just created this page right here and I have their published date, we have post, we have type, targeting, that what kind of audience I am reaching to. I can target my audience, I can customize the ads, I can customize the business suite. So we have all of the different options, and when you create a page, you get your own Meta business suite. You will get your own creator studio. With creator studio comes a lot of different options. Then we also get our ad center. So all of these three options are completely free with Facebook, and you will get them when you create your own business page. So now when you create a business page, I wanted to show you how to create a business page. Once you have it, now it depends on you that how you want to manage it. You will get all of the options right here. Using these is really easy. You get all of the different options. We have ads, we have creator studio, we have videos, stories. Using Facebook is really easy. If you are already a Facebook user, you might know how Facebook works. You can create a post from here and then you can simply check the insights right here in the insight option. If you want to go to the creator studio, it will take you to creator studio as well. This is all what I get after the seconds of creating my own business page. If I want to promote it, you will find the promote option right here, because it's a business page. We want to promote our business. You will find the promote option right here, and I can promote my page whenever I want to and however I want to with Facebook ads as well. And with the Facebook users, the billions of users that are using Facebook, I will be able to grow my business better and I will be able to run a successful business on Facebook. So yeah guys, once you have created your own Facebook page, now you can simply check out all of the features right here. To create a new post, you will simply click on create post and you will be able to do so. You can add events, offers, and other options as well. But this is how you basically create your own Facebook page. And you can also add your email address. You can enter your website and start promoting your business page right now and start selling with Facebook. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to create a Facebook business page. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.